In early 2024, a publishing company laid off 90% of its writers. Why? Because AI could write 10 articles in the time it took a human to write one. But one junior editor survived. And she didn't just survive, she got promoted. Which side will you end up on? Replaceable by AI or reinvented by human intelligence? AI won't replace you, but someone using AI better than you will. In this video, we'll reveal 3 human superpowers AI can't replace, and the new careers that are exploding right now. AI is already writing ad copy, generating songs, diagnosing cancer, trading stocks, even designing buildings. But here's the plot twist. For every job it replaces, it's creating entirely new ones we've never seen before. This is the new workforce. You either learn to lead AI or risk being led by it. The World Economic Forum says 9 million jobs will disappear by 2027, but 11 million will be created. That's a net gain if you know what to focus on. So what makes a job future-proof? Not degrees, not job titles. It comes down to 3 deeply human skills: trust, integration, taste. These aren't just buzzwords, they're your new career currency. AI can be fast, but it can also be wrong. It hallucinates, it fabricates, it can be biased. In a world flooded with synthetic content, trust becomes the currency. That's why entirely new roles are emerging. AI ethicists, who set moral boundaries for how technology is used. AI auditors, who validate that algorithms are fair and transparent. Fact-checkers, who spot hallucinations before they go viral. Legal stewards, who take responsibility when AI-generated content causes harm. Because when the stakes are high, people don't want probably correct. They want certain. And AI doesn't earn trust, people do. AI isn't plug-and-play magic. It's raw power. But without the right human guiding it, it's just noise. That's where integration comes in, connecting AI to real workflows that matter. The most in-demand roles now are human AI integrators, mapping tools to business needs; pipeline engineers, debugging and stabilizing AI systems; medical AI designers, ensuring patient safety; custom AI trainers, feeding the right data to create models that actually work in the real world. Without integration, AI is like a Ferrari without a driver. Real example, Khan Academy hired AI reviewers to monitor hallucination risks in student-facing models. But with the right human in control, it's unstoppable. AI can generate thousands of designs, scripts, or songs, but it can't tell which one makes people feel something. It has no intuition, no emotional memory, no cultural awareness. That's why the future of creative work belongs to story designers, who create the why behind the narrative; brand stylists, who differentiate a brand from AI sameness; product experience curators, who ensure every touchpoint resonates; custom AI trainers, feeding the right data to create models that actually work in the real world. As Rick Rubin says, "I get paid for my taste, not my tools." Creativity in the AI era isn't just about producing, it's about curating. In March 2024, a single AI prompt replaced an entire marketing team. But the people who stayed, they became prompt engineers, brand editors, and narrative strategists. The job didn't disappear, it got upgraded. Jobs aren't vanishing, they're evolving. Economist Eric Brynjolfsson said, "Soon, everyone will be the CEO of their own AI team. Entry level as we know it, gone. You'll start your career at the strategy table if you've got the skills. The innovation economy won't wait. Either you lead AI or AI will lead without you." Remember that choice in Scene 1? Replaceable task or irreplaceable human. If you've made it this far, you already know where you want to be. The future doesn't belong to AI. It belongs to those who master it. If this gave you a glimpse of what's next, pause, hit subscribe. Now I want to hear from you. Which job disappears first, yours or your boss's? And remember, AI isn't your competition, it's your amplifier.